So welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to rebadge a soap, how to fix a bad soap, how to recycle a bad soap. So this yellow soap, I actually made it. I forgot to add silicate to it, and the green soap inside this bowl is a soap cut out that I got from other soap, the other soap that I made. So I put both of them together to rebadge it. So are you making a soap and your soap separated, or you forgot to add something to your soap, you forgot to add perfume, silicate, whatsoever that you forgot to add in your soap? This video is for you. So stay in and watch as we carry out these procedures on how to rebadge your soap. So we are going to, I'm slicing the soap chips now. I'm actually slicing the soap chips now. I'm slicing it. So after that, I will get in my stove and my bowl. This is the bowl that I'm going to use. So this is me regulating the light. So because we are going to melt the soap with a low heat. So this is exactly what we are going to do. So this is exactly what we are going to do. This is me adding the water that we are going to use to dissolve it. I didn't even add up. These are about 500 mils of water inside this bowl. So I'm going to add in soap. I'm going to add this soap. This soap will serve as a deodorant. It's actually as a deodorant. So we'll add everything. We'll add small quantity. It will serve as a base. So after it has melted, it will not add other ones that will help to melt the soap. So you cover it with a cover. This is a pan that I'm using to cover it. So after 15 minutes, I will come back to turn it with my spatula. So after turning it with my spatula, after turning everything, I will make sure that everything dissolves. This is me coming back after 15 minutes to make sure that everything is dissolved. So after this, we are going to add in another one. So like I said, this will serve as a deodorant. It will help the soap to melt very well. You don't just add all the soap together that you want to rebadge it. You add all the soap. It will be very difficult for you to melt, but once you follow this procedure, you will find it very easy to melt your soap. So I'm adding in small soap chips inside. I'm adding another one, so this one will melt too. So after this one will has melted, then I'll add in the rebadge, the soap that I want to rebadge. So this is me coming back after 15 to 25 minutes. So I will turn it very well. So after turning this soap, I will now add the remaining ones. You add it little by little. You don't just add all of them. Once you add all of them, you'll find it difficult to melt it. So you add little by little. So I'm actually melt their soap, this kind of soap. They will now add it in the new soap that they are making. Some used to do that. While making new soap, you take in some of the soap that lacks some things inside to put in the new soap that you're making. But when you want to rebadge it from the scratch, this is how to do it. So this is me adding the last part of this soap inside this bowl. So this is me adding the last part of it. I'll add everything, all the soap that I wanted to rebadge. I'll add everything in this bowl. So this is me adding it. So are you making a soap? You forgot to add silicate, you forgot to add perfume, you didn't add enough caustic soda, you didn't add enough hardener, you didn't add enough foaming booster, maybe your customers are complaining that your soap doesn't foam very well, what do? This procedure is for you. You rebatch your soap. You don't throw away your soap. Is it small soap that you don't know what to do about it? You bring them together and rebatch it and pour it and still use it again. So this is me coming back after 15 to 25 minutes that I've covered it, after adding the last part of it. Then I will now turn it. I will turn it very well. I will turn everything very well. I will use my spatula to turn some. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Crystal DIY, things you can do for yourself. If you want to venture into soap making as a business, we offer full mentorship on soap production, how to make soap, profit in your soap making. We'll guide you in every step in this soap making, whatsoever, everything you use in your house, we produce it. More videos will be dropping. We'll be dropping more videos in this channel. This is 15 minutes. After 15 minutes will come, everything has dissolved. I will use my spatula to melt the one that has not melted. I'll use my spatula to dissolve everything. I've already prepared my mold. So while making soap, make sure you prepare your mold at hand and keep. Then if you don't have money for this kind of my mold, you can use a soap dish. You can use actually use phone pack. You can use a cup and plate, plastic plate to pour in your soap. Make sure you oil it. So you mustn't use this kind of my mold. Is for commercial use. So this is me adding my silicate. Like I told you guys earlier, I didn't add silicate while making this soap, and I love adding silicate to my soap, and I forgot to add it. So after adding this silicate, I will now add perfume. I'll also add top up. It's not as if I didn't add perfume to these soaps, but I want to top it up. So at this junction, at this phase, you add everything that is missing in your soap. If it is you're making a cold process soap and it's separated, you melt it like this, everything will gel, you pour it in your soap. If you're making soap and you forgot to add something, this video is for you. This will help you to fix your soap. So for more inquiries, my number is on the screen of this phone, of this screen. Contact me for more inquiries. We are here to serve you better, to answer your questions, or you can drop it at the comment section. If there is any video that you want me to make, you drop it at the comment section. We will attend to that. Please like and subscribe to my channel. So we'll pour in our soap inside this mold. Our soap is done. So after pouring in the soap, I still use my spatula to turn it very well. I turn it very well. Who does that? It's me. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. If there is anything you want to learn, things you can do for yourself, drop it in our comment section. So this is the final look. You see how beautiful it is? This is the final look. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, very thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.